We've had multiple clients ask about the benefit letters option under the benefits menu in employee self-service. So if you click on benefits, you can see you've got your open enrollment, things like that, but you've got this benefit letters menu item there. And for most clients, there's nothing out there because we haven't published anything. You can see over here under the light bulb for a hint that we need to create that and export from HRMS to make those available. So if we go into HRMS and you go to your reports option here, benefit reports, benefit letter, set your standard criteria for whatever you like. Maybe it's an entire employer, division, department, whatever group you want to publish, and an active leave of absence terminated. Typically, it's only going to be active, but and then your specific criteria, you can determine the letter, closing name, job title, and effective date of that. Then you simply click on the export. You're going to see this option for export to employee self-service along with the other ones. You want this one, and then you just click on the export option. It's going to tell me how many benefit letters it's going to generate based on my criteria, and then ask if you want to export. When you click yes, it's going to start that export process, and you get this little progress bar to tell you how it's going in the process. May take a few minutes, and depending on the number of employees that you're exporting, mine was 34, so that's relatively quick. If you've got 600, it's going to take a little bit more, but it'll tell you when it's completed. You click OK, and then if you come back to employee self-service and employee pops in the next time, they click on benefits, benefit letters, they're going to see that published benefit letter. They can click on that. That'll open that version. They can download, they can print, but they can see this little benefit statement, telling what coverage they've got, what they're paying, what the employer's paying, and it'll determine, hey, here's some additional compensation based on that employer paid portion of your benefits. And then you can see down here at the bottom your little employee and title for the closing statement there.